Welcome back to the channel for another install video on our 22 WRX. Merry Christmas to everyone. I'm not going to keep you guys long. Let's just jump right to the bench and I'll show you what we're going to install. Over here at the bench, I already unboxed our new Perrin Strut brace. This is for the 22 WRX model. Obviously, we don't need any instructions for this. This is going to be a super easy install. We have 2 bolts on our strut tower we're going to take off. We're going to put this on. I do like how they came with these nice new like this black hardware, and then it came with 4 screws each with the nice Perrin logo to go on our bracket here that our strut bar goes on. So let me get you guys set up and let's get this thing put on real quick. So grab your 14 deep socket and let's start taking these 2 bolts off. We're going to keep them just a little loose, just until we get the bar on and all the bolts in, and then we can snug everything up. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side right now. Now with both brackets loosely on, we can take our strut bar. The final step before tightening everything down is you take your 2 caps. This one goes right over here with the supplied hardware. And let's get them in and we should be all set. Now with everything loosely installed, let's tighten everything down and I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end. Just like that, our Perrin strut bar is installed. You can see how I looped the bar underneath that cable right there. So all the hardware is on, everything looks good. I like how this one goes behind the intercooler. I know there's the Cusco one goes around the front currently. And then they have that STI or the JDM one that goes behind me. That one's pretty pricey. This one was a great price, so I'll put the link in the description below about where I got this. I did get it from Perrin.com, but I will link this bar below. It does come in different colors too. I just picked the black bar because I do plan to get a front mount in the future. So with this intercooler gone and everything, I think that'll look real nice with some black pipes and everything. So, well, that's all I got for you guys on this one. Hope you guys have a good Christmas. Got some more parts coming in. So until next time, see you guys.